Today is Thursday, March 14th, and this is the before of my closet. My closet, as you can well see, is a disaster. My closet is the go-to place for everybody's junk and their stuff. And all our clothes, except my oldest son's clothes, are hanging up in this closet. All the stuff. And so this closet has been bothering me for a long time, and I've been putting off cleaning it up. But the children are on spring break, and I have to do it because it is beyond ridiculous. So this is the before for my closet. I don't know if anybody else has this issue. If you do, my heart goes out to you. So I will come back with the after. Hopefully I'll survive. Anywho, have a great day. Wish me luck. Bye.